Welcome to my channel. This is Jackos Crypto, and in this video I'm going to be talking about my top 8 crypto coins to buy now in March 2022 that I see having huge growth potential over the next couple of years and could make you easy money. Now, again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not sharing any investment advice with you. I'm just sharing my opinions and how I invest into projects and why I see these as valuable coins. However, I'm not guaranteeing any kind of result, and I'm not saying these coins can't fall further in price, especially if Bitcoin and the rest of the market goes into a massive bear market like many people are suggesting. Then that of course would send the price of all coins down and you could get even better discounts on these coins. Nonetheless, I still believe in these projects for the long term and I see them as great buys for the next couple of years. Now, of course, I've done my own research. I've looked at the teams, the technologies, and the communities behind these projects, but I suggest you do the same if you are going to invest in them, because you can easily lose money in the crypto space, especially in smaller capped projects. If you guys want my strategies for how I actually find these coins, then I recommend watching my last video where I go in depth into my 2 main strategies I use for finding high growth altcoins and crypto coins that I see obviously as major 10, 20, even 100x coins for the coming years. So with that out of the way, let's get right into this, and remember to like the video if you do enjoy it and subscribe to the channel and turn on those post notifications so you never miss an upload. All right, let's get right into this. So the first project I see doing very well in the coming months, even especially if Bitcoin goes into a massive bull market, would be Kadena, which is currently sitting at $6.92 a coin, market cap of about 1.2 billion. It reached an all-time high of over $24 back in November of 2021. So obviously we have fallen quite a bit, and this could be a very good buying opportunity, because if we do return to all-time highs, that would be over a 3x, right? So over 300% growth, which would be absolutely amazing. However, to be honest, all of these crypto picks are heavily dependent on what Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the top projects within each sector are doing. For instance, let's just look at Bitcoin before we look at any other projects, and we can see it's currently sitting at a price of about $41,000 per coin. We are approaching the 50-day moving average. If we fall below that, that would be quite bearish, and we could see another dip to maybe $33,000 to even $31,000 per coin. Of course, if we bounce off the 50-day moving average, we could continue moving back up, test the 200-day moving average, which is currently around $49,000 per coin. If we break above that, that would be quite bullish. If we close above that and we continue moving past $52,000, then yes, that could signal a massive crypto bull market, and tons of altcoins will be pushing up massively, right? Because if Bitcoin even gets to, let's say, 51,000, I would say most of the altcoins will go up another 40 to 60%, because that would be a 25% move for Bitcoin. So the altcoins are going to go 2 to 3 times that, in my opinion. So even there, you could be having massive growth, but that doesn't mean it would send us to a massive bull market, just because we'd have to close above those levels and continue moving up. A bounce off them, a rejection at this point could signal more of a bear market, but you could still make quite a bit of money with the altcoins in between that time, right? Especially if we bounce off this 50-day moving average and it acts as support, then that could be a good trading strategy for you, right? Trading in between these 2 levels could make you a lot of money, especially if you're getting into the smaller cap altcoins. But again, there's a lot of risk, so remember that and make sure to do your research before investing or trading any cryptocurrency. Personally, I believe Bitcoin will go lower, maybe to the $33,000, $35,000 area, and will most likely trade sideways between the $35,000 and $30,000 level for quite a while, maybe a month to a couple of months. Then I think we will continue moving back up, and hopefully we can close above those major resistance levels around $50,000. And if we do that, then of course we're going to be seeing some massive gains for the next year or so, and we could definitely be in the green majorly for the end of 2022. Out of the way, let's go back to Kadena. And again, I love this project's team. I love its technology, and I think it could do very well. The The community behind it is quite strong as well. Market cap of about 1.2 billion, like I said. So seeing this at 12 to even $15 billion market cap is really not out of possibilities, especially if Bitcoin is doing very well, right? So that's just my opinion, of course, not financial advice. Make sure to research all of these coins yourself, right, before you invest into any of them. Now, my second project is going to be one I've talked about on this channel before and I absolutely love, and that's Moon River. Now, Moon River is a market cap of only 200 million, right? So about a sixth of Kadena, and sitting at about $64 per coin. And we saw an all-time high over $400. So if we go back to those levels, that's almost 8x, which would be insane growth. And I really see it doing much better than that in the future, right? I think Moon River could be a top 50, top even 30 coin in the next couple of years. And the market cap could definitely be well over $3 to $5 billion, which would obviously be insane growth from here. And I think very possible. That's just my opinion. It could go to zero also. However, I highly doubt that, just because this level has been such a strong support zone for us. And I don't think it's going to move much lower unless Bitcoin goes into a massive bear market, right? That lasts anywhere from 3 to 6 months. Then of course we could go to those $40, $50 regions, right? Really the only support region we have is around this level, since it's the lowest it's ever been. But again, I really believe in the team, technology, and community behind this one, and I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon. It's definitely not the most proven project, since it's only been trading on the markets since about August of 2021. So not even a year has this project or coin been accessible to buy into, right? So that obviously does bring more risk to the table. But again, I'm going to continue buying into this, especially if it falls more in price, because I really believe it could be one of my top gainers for the next Bitcoin bull run. Now, my third and favorite project, I believe it's my fourth biggest position in the crypto space, is going to be Chainlink. Now, Chainlink's currently sitting at about $14 per coin, market cap of about 6.7 billion. So it is going to be the highest market cap coin of any of the projects I talk about today. So obviously with higher market caps, usually there is less room for growth, but I still see a 10 to even 20x quite possible with Chainlink in the next couple of years, or even the next year. We saw a price of over $50 per coin. Now, obviously we have fallen quite a bit with Bitcoin's major pullback, but I really only see that as a good sign, because I can get this coin even cheaper now, right? It's essentially like a massive sale on this amazing project that has constant developments and new partnerships, probably the most partnerships of any crypto in the space. Great team, great technology. It's been around for a very long time, so it's proven. The community behind it is very strong. It started trading in 2017, right? So that's a very long time in the crypto space. Ethereum only came out in 2015, or at least traded on the markets in 2015, right? So that shows you Chainlink is definitely a big player. Of course, it's only in the top 25 coins, so it's not a top 10 player or anything like that, which is why I think it could still see amazing growth. I'm talking about a $50 to $75 billion plus market cap coin, in my opinion, of course, not financial advice. My fourth project is going to be Super Farm. Now, this is probably the most risky of them all. However, I definitely don't think it's going to do bad. I just think it's more risky since it's a lower market cap of about 280 million. Definitely a pretty new project. We saw an all-time high of over $4, and currently we're at 69 cents. So quite a discount, over a 7x just to get back to those levels, which would be interesting to see, and I think is very possible. A $2 billion market cap on this project is very likely, in my opinion, especially as the NFT and Launchpad space continues to do well. If you guys don't know, it's co-founded by Elio Trades, which is a huge influencer in the cryptocurrency space on YouTube and has a very loyal following, right? That I don't think is going to just forget about this project and stop investing into it, because his fans really believe in him and this project. And every day he's getting more and more fans that support him, his channel, and the projects he invests into and creates, right? So, and that's why I see this crypto coin as being a huge opportunity, because Elio Trades Trades is not going anywhere anytime soon. Because Elio Trades is not going anywhere anytime soon, I would say he's in the top 10 crypto influencers in the space at the moment, which is pretty significant seeing as how big crypto and investing into altcoins and NFTs has gotten on YouTube, right? It's absolutely massive across YouTube, Twitter now. So being in the top 10 or even top 20 is very influential. My next coin is going to be Voyager token. Now, Voyager is one I've talked about as well. It's sitting at a price of about $1.68, market cap of about 470 million, and we saw an all-time high of over $10, which would be over a 5x from where we currently are sitting. And that all-time high was all the way back in 2017. So this coin's been around for a while, and it's actually used on the Voyager exchange. And if you guys don't know, it's one of Coinbase's major competitors now. They also offer tons of other services for investors and traders. And I think the company's only going to get bigger and bigger because they've seen a huge growth in deposits and users on the platform, which is obviously a very good sign. And I think the Voyager token will benefit hugely from that growth. And the fact that it's actually tied to a real company is another plus in my opinion, even though the point of crypto is decentralization. However, some centralization has been helpful as we've been seeing, especially when there's so many people losing money out there on decentralized platforms through glitches or hacks or something like that, which is unfortunate to see. But if you're using a big name platform like Voyager or Coinbase or FTX, if your coins are hacked or stolen or there's a glitch in the system, most likely you're going to get that money back, right? Which is why I see Voyager as such a good platform, especially for beginners coming into the market. Because if we want crypto to grow massively, we're going to have to cater to the newbies, right? We're going to have to cater to those people that don't know how to buy a Bitcoin, right? And they're going to learn as they go, and maybe they won't like these platforms as they get more and more used to the crypto space. But having them there in the beginning is vital to the growth of crypto, in my opinion. And I think platforms that do this with NFTs are going to get a lot more people in the space as well. I see this easily being a $5 billion market cap project in the near future. Of course, that's just my opinion, not financial advice, but I really do see it happening, and I'm absolutely going to continue buying if it falls more in price. Now, my sixth project is going to be Engine Coin, which is one I've talked about as well, and I really love this project, sitting at $1.43 per coin, a market cap of about 1.2 billion. One of the bigger projects in the crypto gaming niche. It reached an all-time high of over $4. So obviously about a 2 to 3x from where we're currently sitting. So some growth potential there. And I think it will easily get back up to that point when Bitcoin starts doing well. And I see a $15 to $20 billion market cap very likely in the next couple of years, especially if crypto gaming continues to grow, metaverse continues to grow. I think Engine Coin is going to be one of the coins that's used by tons of games in the crypto space, obviously benefiting its price, and could be a project that actually stays in the top 5 crypto gaming market cap coins for the next 5 years. Because right now I see this really as the only one that's going to stay in the top 5, top 10 market cap crypto gaming coins, just because some of the other projects like Axie Infinity, Sandbox, Decentraland, I don't know if they have what it takes to be around for the next 5-10 years, but Engine Coin, I do see that as being possible, especially because the technology is so good, and they've been around for quite a while, right? Since 2017, so it's definitely a proven project, and I don't think they're going anywhere anytime soon. Now, my last project, but definitely not the least, is going to be Kusama, which is trading at about $129 per coin, market cap of about 1.1 billion, reach an all-time high of over $600, right? So over a 3x from where it currently is, which would be amazing growth. However, I see this as being a 10 to even $15 billion market cap coin in the next couple of years, especially as Bitcoin and Polkadot ecosystem continues to do better, right? I really think this could benefit off the success of Polkadot and all major projects, right? So it's been around since 2019, so not the newest, but definitely not the oldest either. However, I do think it's quite proven. I think the team's good and the technology's good, and it will hold up at least for the next few years, and you can make a lot of money in it. Of course, that's just my opinion. It could go to zero. However, I highly doubt that, just with the huge community behind Kusama and the mass amount of partnerships that they are getting is going to be very vital to the success of this crypto coin. Now guys, I really hope you like my crypto coins to buy now in March 2022. Now remember, that doesn't mean that these are going to grow massively in March or that they're going to reach their lowest prices in this month. However, I do believe that they will be very successful projects for the next couple of years and could produce 5 to 25x growth quite easily, especially if Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto space continues to grow. Now remember, always do your own research. I could be completely wrong about all of these projects, right? So it's important to understand teams, technologies, and communities and actually read the white papers to see how they will accomplish their goals, right? If they're meeting the developments milestones on their roadmaps, and all of that type of important data that really determines the success of an altcoin. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of these crypto coins and your favorite projects for this month and the rest of 2022. And let me know in the comments what coins you're looking at and what you're investing in right now. Or if you're not investing, tell me why you're not investing. And if you are, tell me what you see in the projects that you're actually getting involved in, right? Because I'm really interested in learning from you guys as well. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel and turn on those post notifications so you never miss an upload. Also, follow me on Twitter because I release all types of insightful content there as well about crypto, NFTs, and the stocks, and cover major news events that are going on right now. So I highly recommend doing that because there you'll also see some more cryptos that I'm heavily invested in and I believe in for the long term. So thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day. Peace.